Igbo Heritage Quiz. You are an Igbo genius if you get 35 out of 40 correct. Question 1. What was an Igbo king called before British colonization of Nigeria? A. Igwe, B. Eze, C. Obi, D. Ichie, or E. None of the above? Answer 1. E. None of the above. Explanation: the Igbos did not have kings before the colonial era. Igbo enweze. Question 2. Which of these states have indigenous Igbo people? A. Benue, D. Delta, C. Rivers, D. All of the above, E. None of the above. Answer 2. D. All of the above. Explanation: in addition to current Igbo states, several states including Bayelsa, Benue, Cross River, Delta, Edo, Kogi, and Rivers have indigenous Igbo people. Question number 3. Who wrote Things Fall Apart? A. Kenneth Okonkwo, B. Chinua Achebe, C. Christopher Okibo, D. Obi Okonkwo, or E. Wole Soyinka? Answer 3. B. Chinua Achebe. Question number 4. What do Igbos call a doctor? A. Okite, B. Odeshi, C. Alosi, D. Ezenwai, or E. Dibia? Answer 4. E. Dibia. Question 5. In what city did Igbo women riot in 1929? A. Aba, B. Onitsha, C. Abakaliki, D. Nnewi, or E. Umuahia? Answer 5. A. Aba. Question 6. What city in Nigeria is called Coal City? A. Owerri, B. Abagana, C. Nsukka, D. Udi, or E. Enugu? Answer 6. E. Enugu. Question 7. What were the people of Awka famous for? A. Hunting, B. Merchant marine, C. Blacksmith, D. Agriculture, or E. Masquerade festivals? Answer 7. C. Blacksmiths. Question 8. How many days are there in one Igbo market week? A. 2 days, B. 3 days, C. 4 days, D. 5 days, or E. 7 days? Answer 8. C. 4 days. Question number 9. What is the Igbo god of lightning and thunder called? A. Okweno, B. Alusi Ogugu, C. Idemmili, D. Amadioha, or E. Chinekowa? Answer 9. D. Amadioha. Question number 10. What was the Biafran currency called? A. Shillings and pound, B. Ego Ayolo, C. Cowries, D. Dowry, E. Naira and Kobo? Answer number 10. A. Shillings and pound. Question 11. Which of the following is the oldest of current Igbo state capitals? A. Abakaliki, B. Awka, C. Enugu, D. Owerri, or E. Umuahia? Answer number 11, C. Enugu. Question 12. What is the oldest university in Igbo land? A. Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Awka. B. University of Nigeria, Nsukka. C. Federal University of Technology, Owerri, Futu. D. Madonna University, Okija. Or E. Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University? Answer number 12, B. University of Nigeria, Nsukka. Question 13. What tribe or tribes make up current Anambra State? A. Igbos only. B. Igbos and Ijaw. C. Igbos and Igala. D. Igbos and Idoma. Or E. Igbos and Urhobo? Answer 13. C. Igbos and Igala. Explanation. Anambra State is made up of 98% Igbos and 2% Igala tribe. The Igala people live in the northwestern part of the state. Question 14. What fruit is used for libations by Igbos? A. Mango. B. Breadfruit. C. Odala. D. Cashew. Or E. Kola nut? Answer 14. E. Kola nut. Question 15. According to the Igbos, he who brings kola nut brings A. Life. B. Trouble. C. Praises. D. Jollof rice. Or E. Schnapp? Answer 15. A. Life. Question 16. Using left hand for handshake or handing objects to someone is considered A. Symbol of good luck. B. Blessing in disguise. C. Highest honor. D. Disrespectful. Or E. Evidence of good manner? Answer 16. D. Disrespectful. Question 17. Which of these states was never part of Eastern region? A. Edo. B. Bayelsa. C. Akwa Ibom. D. Delta. Or E. Cross River? Answer 17. A. Edo. Explanation. Edo State was part of the Midwestern region. Question 18. In the NTA comedy series, what was the alias for Chief Zebediah? A. Jegede Shokoya. B. 430. C. 440. D. Okoligwe Nwobo. Or E. Gringori? Answer 18. B. 430. Question 19. Which building in Igbo family compound is called the Obi? A. The hen house. B. House of the matriarch. C. The family shrine. D. Head of the family's building. Or E. Reception hall? Answer 19. D. Head of the family's building. Question 20. Who was the central character in Achebe's Things Fall Apart? A. Okonkwo. B. Okafor. C. Okeke. D. Okoye. Or E. Okerekwu? Answer 20. A. Okonkwo. Question 21. In October of 1967, federal troops massacred large number of Igbos in what town? A. Ishielu, B. Abagana, C. Nsukka, D. Asaba, or E. Udi? Answer 21, D. Asaba. Question 22. When seated together, who should pour libation and break kola nut among these people? A. Iyom Adanna, 55 years old, wife of Igwe. B. Dr. Elizabeth, 70 years old, professor. C. Lola Mary, 69 years old, millionaire. D. Reverend Sister Veronica, 43 years old, principal. Or E. Emeka, 15 years old, boy, a student? Answer 22, E. Emeka, 15 years old, boy, a student. Explanation: a woman cannot break kola nut regardless of her age or status whenever there is a male, regardless of his age and accomplishments, present. Question 23. Who was the first Nigerian to hold both middle and light heavyweight boxing titles? A. Dick Tiger, Richard Ihetu. B. Power Mike, Michael Obala. C. Christian Chukwu. D. Emmanuel Okala. Or E. Chris Obodu? Answer 23. A. Dick Tiger, Richard Ihetu. Question 24. Where was the headquarters of Ogoja province during the colonial era? A. Calabar. B. Abakaliki. C. Afikpo. D. Otuocha. Or E. Okigwe? Answer 24. B. Abakaliki. Question 25. Who was the first military governor of Eastern Nigeria? A. Louis Mbanefo. B. John Atongбera. C. Chukwuemeka Ojukwu. D. Okpabia Sika. Or E. Emmanuel Ifeajuna? Answer 25. C. Chukwuemeka Ojukwu. Question 26. What is the significance of red cap in Igbo culture? A. Membership in the Bloods gang. B. Symbol of authority, prestige, and integrity. C. Symbol of financial success. D. Recognition of academic accomplishment. Or E. Power and dominance? Answer 26. Symbol of authority, prestige, and integrity. Question 27. Who has the authority to discipline a child in most Igbo communities? A. Every member of the community. B. School authorities only. C. Parents only. D. Religious figures only. Or E. Police and army? Answer 27. Every member of the community. Question 28. Which of these is not located in Onitsha? A. Basilica of the Most Holy Trinity. B. All Saints Cathedral. C. Osem Market. D. Federal Government College. Or E. Dennis Memorial Grammar School, DMGS? Answer 28. D. Federal Government College. Question 29. Which of these are the most uniquely Igbo soups? A. Egusi and okra. B. Ora or oha and bitter leaf onubu. C. Ewedu and nsala. D. Bitter leaf and miakuka. Or E. Edikaikong and obono. Answer 29. B. Ora or oha and bitter leaf onubu. Explanation. Only ora and bitter leaf soups are unique to Igbo people. Question 30. Which of these is not an Igbo musical instrument? A. Ekwe. B. Udo. C. Ogene. D. Oja. Or E. Ukulele. Answer 30. E. Ukulele. Explanation. Ukulele is a Portuguese string instrument. Question 31. Who amongst these is not an Igbo musician or musicians? A. Sonny Okosun. B. Nelly Uchendo. C. Oliver De Coque. D. Oriental Brothers. Or E. Stephen Osadebe. Answer 31. A. Sonny Okosun. Question 32. Which of these Igbo women served as Director General of NAFDAC? A. Obiageli Ezekwesili. B. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. C. Patient Ozokwo. D. Dora Akunyeli. Or E. Chimamanda Adichie. Answer 32. D. Dora Akunyeli. Question 33. Which of these bodies of water does not touch Igbo land? A. Imo River. B. Anambra or Omambala River. C. Osun River. D. River Niger. Or E. Uguta Lake. Answer 33. C. Osun River. Question 34. Complete this proverb. A stubborn fly. A. Follows corpse to the grave. B. Becomes a hero. C. Glides like a butterfly. D. Eats leftovers. Or E. No such Igbo proverb. Answer 34. Follows a corpse to the grave. Question 35. Which of these is not an Igbo-owned company? A. ABC Group. B. Coscharis Group. C. Airpeace. D. Dangote Group. Or E. Innocent Vehicles Manufacturing, IVM. Answer 35. D. Dangote Group. Question 36. Which of these is not an Igbo invention, inventor? A. Ogbunigwe, Dr. Felix Orago. B. Supercomputing, Dr. Emeagwali. C. Yahoo Boys, Ndia Kaliogoli. D. Multiple inventions and patents, C. Emeka Uzo. E. Z 600 car, Engineer Ezekiel Izuogo. Answer 36. C. Yahoo Boys, Ndia Kaliogoli. Question 37. Which of these cities is known for shoemaking industry? A. Nkalago, Enugu State, B. Aba, Abia State, C. Olo, Imo State, D. Ezago, Ebonyi, or E. Nnewi, Anambra State? Answer 37, B. Aba, Abia State. Question 38. Which musician sang Enyinaga Gwogwogwongwo? A. Celestine Ukwu, B. Flavor, C. Chief Obilibo, D. Queen Teresa Honora, or E. Gentleman Mike Ejeagha? Answer 38, E. Gentleman Mike Ejeagha. Question 39. Which city is considered the entertainment capital of Nigeria? A. Asaba, Delta State, B. Owerri, Imo State, C. Awka, Anambra State, D. Enugu, Enugu State, or E. Abakaliki, Ebonyi State? Answer 39, B. Owerri, Imo State. Question 40. Which of these towns was never a capital of Biafra? A. Nnewi, B. Awka, E. Enugu, D. Umuahia, or E. Owerri? Answer 40, A. Nnewi. How did you do? Do you want more of this type of knowledge? Please leave a comment and subscribe. Thank you.